Alright, so in this haircut, we are going to take the sides and back nice and tight and leave some length on the top. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm going through and removing a lot of the bulk, a lot of the hair, by putting in, or I should say putting on, the shortest guard that I have for my clippers. And I'm just going to go through and work my way up the head and scoop out as I work up. I'm going to do this on the right side, then I'm going to do this on the back side, then I'm going to go all the way around the head and do it on the left side. Alright, so now that I've gone through and removed a lot of the bulk with the clippers, you can see I've got the trimmers now in my hand. The trimmers take the hair shorter than the clippers, in case you're wondering. So I'm going through and just using my trimmers to clean up the outline. Basically, I'm just going to go through and just fade out, blend out the line that the outline gets when one uses clippers. And so just going to go through, clean up the neck, clean up the outline, and then we will keep going through and blend in the outline into the rest of the haircut. Alright, so as you can see now, I've got the clippers back in my hand, and what I'm doing is I'm just going through and fading out, blending out that little line that the trimmers create. As I mentioned before, the trimmers cut the hair shorter than the clippers, so when you do use your trimmers to create and clean up the outline, it will create a very subtle line. So I like to go through and just eliminate that line, which you can see I'm doing right here with the trimmers. Alright, so now it is time to blend the sides and back with the top. So you can see I'm going through, holding the hair through my fingers where I cut the sides and blending it up to the top. I'm going to work my way around the head from the right side to the left side. I should say from the right side to the center back, and then I'm going to do the left side to the center back. Once we've completed that, then I will go ahead and cut the top. Alright, so now it is time to cut the top. I'm taking a section in the middle, in the center of the top of the head, combing it straight up to establish my guide, which is basically going to be the length for the top of the haircut. And I'm just going to work my way from the crown all the way up to the bang/fringe area. Now that I've got that guide, I'm taking sections from ear to ear. The very first section was obviously from back to front. Now I'm going side to side. You can see I'm holding the hair straight up and cutting the length based off of that very first guide that I had created. And we're going to just wrap up the top. Once we're all done, then we can style the hair with some pomade, dress it with some product, and we will be all completed. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.